On-screen text, how to private chat in Roblox, step by step. Narrator, in the next 60 seconds, you'll learn how to start a private chat in Roblox like a pro. Narrator, first, open Roblox and join any game where chat is allowed. On-screen caption, step 1, join a game. Narrator, once you've loaded in, look for the chat box icon at the top left or press the / key on your keyboard. On-screen caption, open chat, click icon or press /. Narrator, click the chat box so you can see the list of recent messages and players. On-screen caption, click the chat box. Narrator, make sure the player you want to message is actually in the same server as you. On-screen caption, check they're in your server. Narrator, now you're ready to start a private, one-on-one chat. On-screen caption, ready for private chat. Narrator, in most Roblox games, type /, then W, then a space to whisper /W. On-screen caption, type /W. Narrator, right after /W, type the exact username of the player you want to message. On-screen caption, add the username. Narrator, after their name, type your message, like /W player name hey, want to team up? On-screen caption, type your message. Narrator, hit enter, and your message will send as a private whisper to that player only. On-screen caption, press enter to send. Narrator, if they reply, you'll see their private messages in the chat marked differently from public chat. On-screen caption, look for whisper tags. Narrator, that's it. You now know how to private chat in Roblox. Play safe, be kind, and have fun. On-screen caption, you got it. White heavy check mark.